What is in store for us in the year of the wooden snake? Let's ask Feng Shui Queen Marites Allen, who joins us now via Zoom. Welcome to Afternoon Delight, Miss Marites.
Hello, Miss Marites.
Hello guys, Tong Hefa Choi. Thank you for thinking of me.
Opo, long time no see at itong si Miss Sally Marites sa katanggap-tanggap. Pag Marites ang usapan.
Salamat.
Opo. Okay. Ikaw muna.
Yes, Miss Marites. Nako. Ngayon pong New Year, everyone is of course asking, ano nga ba ang kapalaran namin this New Year at syempre iba-ibang animal signs?
In general?
Oo.
Muna?
Oo. Sige, in general lang po muna.
Sige. So, you want me to go through the 12 animal signs?
Okay lang mo ba, Miss Marites?
Okay.
Yung ano muna parang in general, what sort of year is in store for everyone?
Yeah, okay. So generally, this is the year of the wood snake. The last time it happened was in 1965. Okay, so if a person is going to turn 60 this year, or if you are delivering a baby this year, it's going to be born in the year of the wood snake. Snake, mga kaibigan, is that, you know, pag hindi mo sila atakehin, hindi ka naman siya aatake rin sa'yo, di ba? So this is like, a year of transformation, you know, like the snake shedding off the skin. You know, everyone now is also encouraged to do the same thing. And yung sometimes kasi, ang mga tao, di ba, parang matakotin sila, the fear of the unknown. Ito na yung pagkakataon na, sige na, just go with the flow, take whatever is being given to you, and at the same time, just go with the flow. Ang mga snake, mga kaibigan, is really a very independent individual. They can survive on their own. Diba? Paghayaan mo lang talaga siya maglakad papunta sa kung saan mo siya pupunta, walang mangyayari sa'yo. They won't attack unless they are provoked. Then at the same time, the year is actually, you know, we can see Philippines as we are going to actually experience the usual economic growth in Asia. So Philippines is one of the most performing economies in Asia, so which is a good news. At the same time, ano pa ba? Kung gusto mong mag-continue, especially those born in the year of the snake or the rooster, if you want to have a baby, di ba kasi madaming nanganak ng mga year of the dragon kasi napakaswerte ng dragon.
Hinabol yun, Miss Marites, di ba? Hinabol na mga couples yun.
Ay, grabe. As in, even for me, I assisted siguro more than a dozen of deliveries in terms of mga cesarean para lang makalabas in the year of the dragon. So basically, the year is very good, but there's gonna be more independence because so parang if you're gonna ask me, is there gonna be more affiliations and partnerships? Independence is the key. So maraming tao mula ng kanilang pansariling, you know, parang, it's now parang take it back home.
Miss Marites, 2025 may eleksyon sa Pilipinas. Ang politika ho ba natin ay magiging, well, payapa so far o medyo interesting in the Chinese sense of the word?
Yes. Alam mo, thank you so much for asking the question. When I was studying the chart of the year, the Philippines and the world, and each individual sign, you can actually see it in our almanac. Almanac 2025, mga kaibigan, is a very special kalendaryo ng Feng Shui. Alam niyo ba what is really, I would say parang I don't know what's the word, surprising is the election day is on 8/12/2025, correct?
Yep.
Do you know that on May 12 it's actually the month of the snake? It's the day of the snake and the year of snake. So parang tatlong snake. So in the day, month, and year. So alam mo ba, kung ikaw ay politician na being born in the year of the boar or the pig, it's gonna be a contra, super contra on that date. Parang I call it like a triple whammy. So if they can, they really have to, you know, if they can have their pangontra, mga super amulets that they can get it from Frigga Charm Life, or better yet, kailangan talaga na ng mga medallion na tinatawag natin na panangga for that. Because, it could be, I would say, there's gonna be a mixture of challenges.
Miss Marites, ang presidente natin ay pinanganak sa Year of the Rooster.
Yes.
Opo.
So the Year of the Rooster, mga kaibigan, I would say is a comeback year. Because the last 2 years were like medyo parang challenges. But this year is actually a comeback year for them. Kung ang ating presidente would go out and, you know what I mean? Like, sell the country to another, get some investments, I should say, from another country, it would be very good. He can capitalize on bridging gaps together because the networking star for the Rooster is very, very strong.
Miss Marites, meron akong friend, nagpapatanong, paano naman yung Year of the Rabbit? Alam naman natin in nature, 'di ba? Kung anong ginagawa ng mga ahas sa mga kuneho.
Yes.
Grabe naman. Totoo ba na sila'y pinakamalas daw ngayon na sign?
Hindi naman. I think, I would say, sabi ko nga, natuto ako mag-feng shui because in the good old days, many years ago, it's been my 30 years in practicing feng shui and it's been 21 years in this country. When we say, hindi naman totoo na kunyari malas yung mga rabbits, the rabbits actually has the so-called future prosperity star number 9. Ibig sabihin, if you start something now, it could even multiply 9 times. And number 9 is a very auspicious number. So I would even say congratulations to the rabbit. Sometimes action natin yan eh. If you just protect who are you aligning with, 'di ba? Kung matino lang yung mga kausap mo, mga kagrupo mo, then hindi ka naman maaapektuhan eh.
Patay ako.
So just protect your name. Just protect your name. Who are you affiliating with? Because that is the issue na magkakaroon ng lamat yung integrity mo. So be careful on who to align with. But rabbit is auspiciously very lucky this year.
Aba, asking for a friend. Ang mga dragon naman daw. Miss Marites.
Dragon. The dragon is very exciting because they have the so-called victory star number 1. Parang kung gusto mo magsimula ng mga anything, bahala, expansion, affiliation, may isisimula ka this year, this is the time for you to do it. And do you know when it's the year of the snake and that you are born in the year of the dragon and snake actually creates the so-called house of magic.
Oh.
Wow.
So I am very excited with the dragon. You can create, sometimes, di ba, nakikita mo yung mga negosyong dumating na, wow, bakit kaya siya ang bilis lumago, ang bilis nakilala and everything. So capitalize on that, mga dragon-born people. It's gonna be so good for you. In fact, this is the first year of the 3 years of good luck for the dragon.
Wow,
Miss Marites, babalikan ko yung yung negosyo, yung starting something new. Pero may mga nagpapatanong kasi dito, what about for tigers and rats daw po? Unahin na natin yung tiger, ma'am.
Okay. For the tiger naman, business is good, career is good. However, you will experience more losses than gains. Pangalawa, baka kunyari, ang iyong negosyo is mayroong mga credit line, mahirapan kang maningil. So, kung maaari, wag ka muna magpautang, okay? So, and then you have the so-called misfortune star. Yun na nga, marami tayong mga amulets that you can actually protect yourself. You can get it from Frigga Charm Life. Yung mga rat naman, kasama parehas ni tiger, is meron silang tinatawag na parang injury star.
Aray.
Injury would also be parang rub away from you. Kunyari, promotion. Nag-promise sa'yo, tapos maya-maya, promoted ka nga, wala ka namang increase in salary. Parang ganun ba? Or sa'yo na, wala pa. Or kahit sa pag-ibig, pwedeng nakawin yung partner mo.
Nako, maraming ganyan. Miss Marites,
Mag-ingat.
Porque Year of the Snake ba, swerte rin daw ang mga snake? Not, ganun ba yun? Not necessarily, di ba?
Yes, actually may mga we go with the so-called in feng shui, we call it forecast. Hindi po siya prediction. Prediction is parang set in stone. Forecast is actually most likely what's gonna happen. Now, every year kasi we follow a certain parang flowchart or roadmap. Nakikita natin yan sa almanac. So the snake actually has the so-called victory star number 1. Simula. And this is your year. Your year only happens every 12 years, right? So ngayon, nakatutok ang mga tao sa'yo. Kasi year mo ito ngayon, di ba? But ibig sabihin naman kasi yan, pag gumawa ka ng tama, syempre matutuwa sa iyo yung mga tao. But then pag gumawa ka naman ng mali, then mas delikado din. So, you really have to balance things out. Kasi yung iba talaga, sometimes you can be so trusting. You know, parang, na-refer ng kaibigan ko, okay kaming dalawa nito, maya-maya, na-scam pala sila. Or maybe they had been involved into di ba, nabalitaan nyo yan? Na-involved sila sa mga hindi nila inaasahan na part na pala ng isang scam. So, mag-ingat ang mga snake. They have the so-called victory. However, they have to have the mantra, special mantra for protection. They needed the so-called Tai Sui. Tai Sui, mga kaibigan, looks like this. The tiger, the snake, the boar, and the monkey needs to have the so-called Tai Sui. Tai Sui amulet. In Hong Kong alone, they would sell 8 million to 10 million copies of this every year.
Astig.
Kasi very powerful talaga siyang pangontra.
Go ahead.
Miss Marites, yung may website po kayo at may mga live streaming po. Alam ba,
Yes.
yung planner, Feng Shui planner, saan po makaka-avail nun, ma'am?
Yes. So the almanac and the feng shui planner, nandito yan. Makaka-avail po kayo sa Friga Charm Life at friga.com.ph. Meron po kaming phone number dyan, 0920-950-9390. Or you can come and follow me, Marites Allen, on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Marites Allen on Facebook as well.
Ganda na pangalan, no? Friga, parang... parang may
Yes, Frigga is actually the god of all goddesses. She is the mother of Thor. She is the wife of King Odin
diba?
from Nordic goddess in the northern
ganda.
part of the world.
May unity yung mga references.
Correct.
May Nordic and Eastern, yan ang unity. May tanong ka, Miss Marites.
Hindi, kanina dapat may tatanong. Pero last na lang, Miss Marites.
No
Meron bang mga pwede ring mga charms and amulets na parang in general lang, na pwede ring kunin o bilhin ng ating mga kapatid para lang sure na hindi malasin?
Yes, oo. So meron tayong tinatawag na parang mga peace and harmony na amulet because a lot of people gusto nila ng katahimikan sa buhay, quiet. Ayaw nila ng awayan. Meron din po tayong tinatawag na mystic knot. This is for continuity of good progress in life and harmony. Then madami po tayo. Meron tayong mga infinity bangle for overflowing, good health and good money. We have the Mystic Knot Bangle. Marami po tayong even mga shawl, which has a beautiful 9-mantra shawl. This is a very good enhancer and protection as well.
Uy.
Even what I'm wearing right now is actually a 9-mantra scarf. Many times, pwede kang I have so many testimonials. They use this and they were granted visa. They passed the board exams. They were upgraded to a business class. Name it.
Alam mo, baka
Dadalhin ko nga yan.
pag binanggit natin kung sino mga kliyente
papadala ako sa iyo dyan. Papadala ako.
Gusto ko ma-upgrade
Alam
sa
mo,
business class every time.
Hindi nagbibiro si Miss Marites, binigyan niya ako ng horse dati, ng symbol.
Ay,
Nang
talaga?
binigyan ko siya.
Yes,
Oo, na hanggang ngayon nandun pa rin, baka magamit.
Oo naman.
Kasi baka,
Alam mo ba, tama yan, buti nilang nabanggit mo. You know that the horse is the superstar of the year.
Uy!
So you put the horse symbol that you have now in the south corner.
South corner.
And then you capitalize, parang you ride on the luck of the horse. So beautiful, buti nilang ni-remind mo.
Opo.
Horse, congratulations. You are the superstar of the year,
Miss Marites.
along with the monkey as well.
Okay, yung kabaligtaran naman po nila, ano-anong mga signs kaya yun?
Yes. So, medyo challenging yung taon. You're talking about the year of the dog because meron tinatawag na maiinit ang ulo ng mga dog this time. Okay? So, I would advise the dog person to, yung mga tipong wag ka na muna magsalita ng sobra, parang less talk, less mistake, right? And if you're signing a contract, make sure na you really read the fine prints because malay mo, due to your signature, magkaroon ng mga problema in terms of mga legal problems. So, pangalawa, we have the boar or the pig. The pig kasi is the enemy of the snake. So, not only na, isa na yung contra mo of the year is the pig. Pangalawa, you also have the so-called argumentative star. So, parang double whammy ang ating pig this year. So, kailangan mo mag-implement ng change sa buhay mo. You can even like donate blood. You know, saving life is very important for you. Again, you can have the Peace and Harmony amulet. Meron tayong tinatawag na I'm actually wearing them now. I don't know if you can see. This is actually a universal charm as well. So, mga kaibigan, when you get your charm, make sure naman na it's really like special because it has to, remember Feng Shui is all about good energy. So, even for me, sabi ko nga is, you know, I came from a family of 14. I'm baby number 12. Life was very difficult. Nung unang panahon, hindi ko rin to talaga na-afford. And then sometimes I nagdo-drawing lang ako, 'di ba? Kasi nga at least it's good energy rather than bibili ka mura nga siya but then you know what I mean? The symbol, because when you make an amulet, it has to be done in the right time, is in the right moment, meron siyang sukat, hindi lang po siya basta-basta.
And Miss Marites, no, kulang na tayo sa oras, ang dami ko pa talagang tanong. But to remind everyone lang. Oo. Kasi 'di ba yung mga charms natin, kunyari ako kasi may piyawa ko, they always say na kailangan nandun siya sa isang place, let's say nakatapat sa pinto or like yung hindi magulo rin, kumbaga ingatan din talaga.
Correct. So, dalawa kasi yan eh. Tayo, as a person, we would bring a pangontra and a pampaswerte. Ang pangontra is panangga yan sa taon, di ba? Then, in the end, nire-retire natin siya at the end of the year. Kasi nasanggana yung mga negativity there eh. Yung iba naman is mga pampaswerte. Para sa kunyari, mga infinity number 8, kung gusto mo ng pera, at saka yung mga universal charm. So sometimes you can bring it with you. Yung sa bahay naman, kung gusto ng ating manunood ng pera this year, maglagay ng water fountain sa southwest. Southwest ng bahay, nandun po ang pera. So, ang mga maswerteng lokasyon sa bahay in 2025 are those in the east, southeast, south, and southwest. Ang mga malas naman, mga kaibigan, are the sectors of northeast, north, and northwest. Tapos mag-ingat because of the illness star nasa gitna po ng bahay natin. So kaya nga, ang sinasabi ko, kahit anong sabihin dyan ng mga forecast ng kung ano-ano na maswerte yung iyong animal sign, kung umuwi ka naman sa bahay mo, na yung pinagtutulugan mo is the bad sectors, di ba? Wala din. So dapat maswerte yung iyong animal sign and then you also sleep in the good sector of the house.
Okay. For more info, kung nais pa ninyo makipag-communicate kay Miss maritesallen.com, puntahan niyo po yung kanyang website.
Yes.
Ma'am, maraming salamat
so
po sa oras po ninyo. Thank you po, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. And in fact, I also would like to say this, if you are available in the next 3 hours, anyone, you can actually join me for a blessing and a wish-fulfilling ritual, January 29, 6 p.m., at the Manila House at Fort Bonifacio Global City. Pero kung hindi nyo naman, wala na kayo sa oras, maybe you can join online. So stay tuned. Marites Allen Facebook page.
Punta tayo ron, sosyalin din.
Sosyalin talaga ng mga
come. Oh, please come if you're free. Please come.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So ulitin po sana ulit, Miss Marites. Again, thank you for talking to us and taking the time to join us here on Afternoon Delight.